Hey YouTube, welcome to the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. What is this? I'm going away overnight. Today is July 3rd. I don't know when you'll see this, but I thought about, okay, do I want y'all to pack with me to see what I'm taking? Yada, 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 yada. So yeah, we're going to do a pack with me. And the brushes I'm taking are not the ones that I had said that I was going to take because I wanted to use what's tried and true for what we're doing. So let's just start with what we're packing. I do travel light. I take this backpack. This sucker is huge and it holds a lot of stuff. And then this back zipper, this is a laptop compartment. And so there's travel slippers that live in here. So I take those everywhere I go. And I do actually put my laptop in there. This is a towel and a face cloth because I don't know what detergent they use and my skin is sensitive, so I do tend to travel with just a random beach towel and a face cloth. My body wash, this is my caboodle with my shower gloves, makeup remover wipes, and face stuff, my meds, my cellar water. Here's my makeup remover wipes since I am wearing makeup right now. So this whole thing fits in that bag. When I stand this up and I open it, the width of it is a little wider than this. So this entire thing just fits at the bottom of the bag, which is great. And then I just stack stuff on top of it. And there's still room in the front of the bag. This is my external hard drive because I have a video to edit. And once that's edited and scheduled, that'll go on a hard drive, laptop, phone adapter thing. So I can plug this in and get the video from my phone to my laptop, my charger cord. This is my makeup for my little cousin, the Natasha Denona Glam Face and Eye Palette, the Pat McGrath, the Extreme Gold Highlighter, and Love Struck, blush. So that is for her. This is what I'm wearing tomorrow, and I tend to just wrap my shirt and my undies together. And so for however many days I go away, I do this for every day. So that way I'm like, okay, this is for this day and everything is in here. I can just take this into the bathroom with me, wash up, get dressed. My underwear is in here, my bra's in here, my shirt, the pants. These are capri leggings. This is what I'm sleeping in, the same deal. I have, I do take a bra with me when I'm sleeping at someone else's house. I'm not going to walk around without a bra on. My sleep shirt and of course clean underwear are in there. So on to the makeup stuff, which I wasn't sure if I was going to take, and I'm not even sure if I'm going to do my face because I don't know what the lighting is going to be like. So I am taking my tripod. All of this stuff I will put inside of this Esom bag, which is very full. I mean, it holds a lot. It's not full yet, it's empty. I was hesitant to even take a Pat McGrath palette because they can be fragile, but we're in our month of McGrath and I didn't want to take a Quint. I wanted to stay consistent with the looks that I was doing, going in order according to the motherships that I have. And so we are going to travel with this mothership palette. We have no particular order, of course: mascara, brow pencil, eyeliner, mascara, another eye pencil, chapstick, of course. This is the gloss we're going to use. This is Desert Orchid blush. These are the two bronzers that I have, Desert Glow and Bronze Divinity. Venusian Nude. Is this what it is? It says right here. Venusian Nude highlighter. Estee Lauder 4N concealer. M18 Pat foundation. And the Pat primer and the Pat light medium 2 powder. This is the palette that I am taking because it's easy to clean. It's an Inglot palette. And these are the brushes. And I thought to show you, but then I had already packed them. And I like this because even if I do, this reminds me I need to take brush shampoo. Even if you wash your brush, you can still put them in here because the bristles will be inside of here and the handles come down to here. And so this is actually a drying shape from Sigma, and I've had this probably over 15 years. And when I first ordered it back then, one of the straps had broken, and so I emailed in saying one of the straps had broken. They sent me another one for free, and I'm like, oh wow. And I think I've since given that away with brushes when I decluttered my blush, not my blush, when I decluttered my brush collection, I think over a year ago. And so I put all the brushes inside of one of these. And so not only did they have a full face and eye brush set, they also had a brush holder. And you see that there's snaps here, which is very handy. And so you just close it up. I don't think I can do it with one hand. Can I? And yeah, I need two hands. And then it does snap in place, but I cannot seem to get it right now, but I will. So this is everything that I am taking with me. This is just one overnight trip. Yeah, so this is it. Short, sweet, easy peasy. Welcome to my bedroom. And yeah, so you will see my face in a future video. Thanks. Of course, I forgot something. I meant to say that I have these microfiber cloths here because these are what I'm going to wrap the palette in, and also the bronzers and the highlighter, just to help it not crack. And I'm thinking I'm going to take a second bag. I just packed this one. Look at this bag, y'all. This is stuffed. This is a huge bag. Yes, I'm going to take something else to carry my makeup in because this is fragile, and I don't, if something happens to that, I'm gonna be upset. So anyway, yeah, that's what I wanted to show you, is that I have these cloths here to help cushion that thing. And I don't know where I'm gonna put the tripod, but anyway, thank you, and you will see me soon. Let me know when you pack for overnight. Do you pack light, or do you just take everything because you're not sure what you're going to use, or do you just take what you plan on using and hope that you don't forget anything? So that's the question for this video. Thank you. And as always, even though we didn't do the intro, self-acceptance, self-love, that is the Crazy Troll Nation way. You will see me soon. Thanks.